What's going on, guys? Welcome back to CPTV. A bit of a different video for you today. We've been working on a project. Now this project is really cool. It's going to take us at least 2 days to do. So we have an end room here. Currently it's being used as a storage room. We are actually going to turn that room into a comedy paint room. So where we're going to be doing live streams, where we're going to be doing intros to videos, where we're going to be editing videos, where we're going to be keeping all the stock for our merch. It's going to be so cool. So I just want to apologise as well for the camera quality that you guys have been experiencing lately. It's not the best quality, but it's still watchable. The only reason being is because we actually broke our old camera. So our £300 camera, we actually broke it. It dropped and it's a flip screen and the whole screen smashed and shattered. £300 camera gone out the window. So I just want to apologise. But next video, the quality is going to be insane because we're getting a new camera. So anyway, let's show you what we've been doing today for this project. So what I've done today, which is currently taking me all day, believe it or not, is we've got these letters that we're going to be basically putting on the wall, like so, and it's going to spell out CPTV and what even underneath it, and that's going to be on the wall, and then underneath it we're going to have obviously the Snapchat logo, the Instagram logo, and the Facebook logo. So all our socials, guys, are going to be on the wall as well, and underneath each one of these is going to be on our Facebook, our Instagram, and our Snapchat. So if you want to get at our socials, guys, you can do after this is all up, so you go check that out. But we've got all the letter in here and the logos which are going to be going onto the wall. Now let's show you what we actually have to do with the room first. So let's go have a look. Alright guys, so as you can see we spray painted the door as well. Like, that's going to be quite good though for the room because we're using this room anyway. So as you can see, at the minute, on the shelves and everything, we're just using it as a storage room. But let's show you exactly what we're going to be doing. Tonight, obviously, we've got to clean all of this out. We're getting everything out here. This wall is going to be where our CPTV is going to go, and our water even underneath, and then under here is going to be our socials. So what we have to do, obviously, we have to get everything off of this wall. We have to clear all of this out, and we're going to do that, and then we're going to show you. We've got it all empty, and then the next step tomorrow is to paint it. What colour are you painting it? You have to keep watching to find out. So yeah, let's start getting this cleaned out. So that's the next step of this, guys, is getting it cleaned out, and then obviously we'll show you after we've cleaned it out. Okay guys, as you can see now it's all cleared out. We've cleared everything out. It's been about half hour to an hour cleaning it all out. So the next thing we've got to do, as you can see, this wall isn't exactly smooth. So what we've got to do is obviously get all these thumbtacks out all here, because we're going to be painting this. And you see these little bumps here, we're just going to obviously do this and make it smooth, so the whole smooth, ready for it to be painted. So yeah, let's get on with that and then we'll show you the next step. I've sanded the wall off, I've done everything, it's been cleaned out, it's been cleaned a lot, and also I've put tape all around the tops, as you can see, and then all around the bottoms. All around the bottoms here. Also, as you can see as well, this power supply here, so we've got a power supply here that runs out and then goes into a plug socket, so we need power in here as well. We've got power, so everything is now ready to paint the next day. Alright guys, it's currently the next day, so we've gone out and brought all the other equipment to do the next part. Obviously, as you can tell, we'll put this on the floor, it's painting. So we're going to paint this whole room red. Obviously YouTube's red, so we're going to paint it all red. And then the next step is to put the bits on the wall. So obviously we're going to paint it red. That's going to take at least 7 to 8 hours because we've got to paint it, let it dry for 2 to 4 hours, and then do another coat. So after we've done that, we'll be back. But this is taking a lot of work, but it's going to look sick. So let's go painting. Okay guys, as you can see, this red is really good. I like this red a lot. I think this is going to be so good to use. This background, like painting it red, is more vibrant, it's more warm, and it's, you know, it's the YouTube colour as well. But we've got a lot to paint. Obviously it's going to need a second coat. So we get the first coat, I'll get the second coat. I don't want to second coat on, and once it's all done, we'll be back. Let's do this. Okay guys, so as you now can see, this is looking sick. So I've painted the whole room. I've done one coat, I've had to wait 2 hours, and then I've done another coat. Altogether this has took about 6 hours to do. So now all we've got to do is wait for this coat to dry, because it's not finished yet. We've got to wait for this coat to dry, and then we're going to go on to the next step. Okay guys, so it is now dry. It is looking sick in here. So obviously the next step is to put the lettering on the wall. Obviously these are all jumbled up, so I need to sort them out. But look how well that black stands out on the wall. This is going to look sick. So we're going to get the letters on the wall, and then we'll show you what it looks like after the letters are on the wall. And then obviously after that, we add the logos to the wall and put our socials underneath it. But first, let's get these letters on the wall. Okay guys, this is looking fire. So we've got CPTV, and what even are you doing if you don't like this video and you don't subscribe, yeah? Because this, my friends, is going to be the new intro and outro wall. Well, outro depending on where we are, where we're filming, but intro, this is going to be our new intro wall. So now all we've got to do now is the last bit, and that is to add our socials up here. I mean, this is sick. So let's get our socials up there, shall we? Okay guys, it is finally finished. This looks so cool. So we've got my Snapchat, if you can't read it, which I hope you can. It's a bit slanted, but I like that. We made it a bit slanted so it looks cool and funky, you know what I mean? It's a more comedy playing style. So my Snapchat is xtrickyx, hit me up if you want. Facebook, we've got the Comedy Pain TV. So Comedy Pain TV, if you put that into Facebook, our page will come up. On that page, guys, you get exclusive videos that are going to Facebook only and not YouTube. You also get spoilers, you get all that good stuff. You get spoilers, early access videos, trailers, teasers, the lot. So make sure you follow that page because we're always active on there. And our Instagram, my Instagram is Mel Tricky, and Mark's Instagram is Mark Gerns. So it looks sick. It looks wicked. It's all complete. We've even got this cool red chair here. Just sit down. So now what we've got to do is go Mark, because he has no idea. So let's go get Mark and get his reaction. Let's go. Now we're going to call Mark and we're going to get his reaction. Hey Mark!
No.
Hey bro, come here quick. Quick. It's important. It's mad. Trust me. Come here. Right. So you know, for the past 2 days we've been working on the project.
What the hell?
The last 2 days. This is what I've done. Come here. Look at it! What have you got boxes in your head, bro? What the hell?
That's my band thing for flipping cooking. This looks insane!
How sick does this look? The past 2 days I've been doing all of this.
Yeah, boy.
So I'll put yours.
Mark Gerns, you got that bang on. That's sick! What even is this?
Yeah.
This is on YouTube.
Yeah?
Yeah, boy! The room.
What do you think this is going to be, where we do intros, where we're going to edit videos, where we can all just chill out?
Carpet. We're
going to get the carpet in as well. But when all the Comedy Pain crew come round, or whenever people come round, we're all going to chill in there.
Yeah, nice. CPTV.
Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, it's mad. I like it a lot.
So this is what I've been doing for the past 2 days. A lot of work.
Legit. That's so sick.
But yeah.
So sick.
There you go guys, there you have it.
Yeah, boy!
So, that's that, and we're just going to give you a final look round and tell you what's going where and whatnot, and then yeah, that'll be the video. So let's give you a look round.
Sick.
Hey guys, so when we're filming, obviously we're going to be sitting here so we can get all this good stuff in here. We've got our chair, we're going to add chairs into here, so the chairs are going to go in here. We've also got a power supply here that's going to run out into there, so we have power in here as well. And up here is going to be where the What Even jumpers are going to go. So when you want to order merch, guys, all the merch is going to be all piled up here, ready for you to order and us to deliver to you. And then on the wall somewhere, if we're still in this flat by then, probably not, but it's going to be the play button. The good old play button, the silver play button that you guys are going to help us get, hopefully. We can't get it without your guys' help, so keep those subs coming in, guys, keep the views coming in, etc. So the play button's going to be there as well. I'm probably going to add we're going to probably add some other stuff to the wall, but we're not too sure yet. But yeah, that's the video, guys. That was a 2-day project. had to be done. So I hope you like the new wall and everything, guys. But we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.